Please comment po. Pa-flex lang mga madam. Hello po. Hello, Ma'am Oda Liz. Happy New Year, Ma'am Oda. Happy New Year, madam. Ma'am Oda. Thank you for dropping here in my live, ma'am. Yes po, ma'am. Happy New Year also. Yes po. Comment, pa-share mga madam. Sino ba ito si ma'am? Si ma'am. Ma'am, get the denim pink, ma'am. 35 cm. Purchase it now, ma'am. Still on sale, ma'am. I give you discount for being my, my sure, buyer for past year 2023. Same for ma'am, same for ma'am, what you call this, ma'am Shonte. Ma'am Shonte, she have, 2 box. 2 box here. 2 pieces of 10 kg box. I give you discount, ma'am, ma'am Oda. Before, I have, new arrival, upcoming new arrival. Hello po, good morning, good evening. Comment lang mga madam. Just comment po. Welcome to Fine Bags Philippines. I'm still on sale. Just comment lang po, what bags do you want to flex? I will flex it to you mga madam. I give you also discount. Hello po. Good morning, good evening. Welcome to Fine Bags Philippines. This is my courier mga madam. This is my courier. If you're in USA or in Canada, I ship via FedEx po. I ship via FedEx.